Okay, so this is a Algebra 1 review. We're going to practice graphing linear equations. The first thing you have to do is write the equation in slope-intercept form. This is slope-intercept form. So make sure it is in this format first. Now, it is okay if you switch the mx and the b. Some of you guys might do it like this. That is fine. Just know that whatever has the x is your slope, okay? Once it's in this format, then you can just graph your y-intercept, which is this number right here, and then you can use the slope to create more points. So let me give you an example. Let's say I have y equals -4/5 x plus 2. This is your y-intercept. That means on your y-axis, you are going to put 2. You're going to put a point at 2 on your y-axis. From the 2, you are going to use your slope to plot the next point. So you start at this 2. So I'm going to go down 4 spaces and over 5 spaces, and that is my next point. Okay? You can also go the other direction. I can go up 4 spaces and to the left 5 spaces and plot my point so that I create this line. Okay? All right. Hold on, wait. All right, so a great question was asked. They said if it's just an x, like for example this is your y-intercept. So you have to put a point at -5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, -5 is right here. And then your slope is just 1. You can put 1 over 1 if you want to, but you'll just go up 1 over 1. So if you don't have a number there, it's just x, then this is your slope, 1. So that would be your line. Now, if it's a negative slope, that means you would go this direction. If it was negative, okay? Let's do another example. Let's say it's not in the correct format. So let's say I have -2x minus 4y equals 8. Let's pretend I have that. So this is not in slope-intercept form. Remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So let's get it into that format. I'm going to move this over to this side. So now I have -4y is equal to, when you move this -2x to this side, it will become a +2x. This 8 can remain the same. It's still positive. Next, you should divide both sides by a -4. So we are left with y equals +2 divided by -4. We can simplify this. These can both be divided by a 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. This is negative, okay? Because a positive over a negative creates a negative. +8 divided by a -4 is a -2. So this is your equation. Now that it's in mx plus b form, we can go ahead and graph it. This is the y-intercept. So that means you need to go to -2 and put a point there. This is where we start. So my slope is -1 over 2. So down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Just like this. You can also go the other direction. So this is your line. And the line is decreasing. It's going down because your slope is negative. Okay? Any questions on how to graph lines? All right, great. So you guys are going to continue practicing this, and I'll end it here.